everybody. Hi friends. I hope you guys are staying well and healthy. So today in this lesson we're gonna learn about the letter sounds. Do you guys remember what letter sounds are? Or where do we hear letter sounds? Do we hear letter sounds in numbers or letters? In letters, right? Just like the ones that you have in your name. The letters in your name also make sounds. So today we're gonna play a game with some cards. But before we do that, we're gonna do our letter sound song. Do you guys remember it? Maybe not, because we didn't do it that much, but we'll try it today, okay, and see how it goes. You guys are gonna have to help me, okay, because I forgot already. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, let's start. Alligator, bear, Katina, cat, deer, Ellie, elephant, Francie, fish, Gordo, gorilla, Honey, horse, inchworm, Jerry, jellyfish, Kyle, kangaroo, Lizzie, lizard, Missy, mouse, Nigel, night owl, Olive, octopus, Peewee, penguin, Quincy, quail, rabbit, Sammy, snake, Timothy, tiger, Amber, umbrella, Vincent, vampire, Willie, whistle, Xavier, fox, Yancy, yak, Zeke, zebra, Did you guys got it? You did? Good job. Okay, so now for the game. Are you guys ready? Okay, have some pictures here. I'm gonna show them to you and then you can tell me what you see, okay? So what's this? A fish. So, what's the first sound that you hear in the word fish? It's f. Can you guys say it? Fish. There you go. Okay. Are you guys ready for the next one? I think this one is easier. It's easier for you. What's this? Not a crocodile. It's an alligator. What's the first sound that you hear in the word alligator? Is it alligator? No, it's alligator. You got it? Okay. Now how many do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3. Only 3 left, okay? What's this? A cat. You got it. What's the first sound that you hear in the word cat? Let's try it again. Let's say it again. Cat. Cat. Okay, can you guys say it with me? Cat. There you go. 2 more. Okay. What's this? The sun. Can you guys tell me what's the first sound that you hear in the word sun? Is it fun? It's sun. Okay. And our last one. What's this? A penguin. Can you guys say it with me? Penguin. Okay, what's the first sound that you hear in the word penguin? You guys got it? Okay, let's see. It's like penguin. Okay, good job. I'm so proud of you. Okay, so before we go, what I want you to do is look around your house. Look, what objects do you see, or what fruit or what toys do you see? And then you guys can practice at home. You guys can practice at home saying the word of a toy or object that you found, and you guys can practice hearing the first sound. Okay? Alrighty, friends, so that's it for today. So I'll see you next time.